kami. Ayan.
Ano kami dyan?
Ayan na.
Para nakanimitin.
Taran! Woo! And now we're back on my channel. Thank you for visiting and thank you for watching at eto naman po tayo ulit ngayon. For today's video, we're going to share you some good vibes and happiness. But then, with a sexiness. Ah! Shit. Oh my god. So, we're going to, yeah. Ano ba? So, ayan. Nandito kami ngayon somewhere in Riyadh and we're going to have fun here at Staraha. They call it Staraha, but then it's in English it's a pool. Okay, it's a resort, but it's so private that's why Staraha. Ay, charot. joke joke lang. Anyway, ayun na nga. So, na-miss ko kayo at sana na-miss nyo rin ako. So, ngayon ay mag-turn na po ako or malapit na akong mag-turn into 1 year here in Riyadh. So, ayun, gusto kong mag-spend time po sa swimming naman since I had been to sand dunes, ayun, doon sa ano or doon sa unang trip natin. If you want to visit that video or if you want to watch that video, please just follow my or subscribe on my channel and click the notification bell so every time na meron akong bagong video, you get updated right away. Ayan. So, what we have here now is, ayun na nga, nag-aantay pa po kami ng mga iba naming kasama. And yeah, madam ang itsura ng inyong bebe loves ngayon. Or mommy loves. Okay. So, ngayon lang naman. One day lang. So, eto na, ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung loob ng resort or ng pool reservation namin na kinuha. So, tara na, join me! Now, we have to lock the door, otherwise, those strangers will come inside and they will see us. Oh no, man! What's this? What's that? A sexy lady! Ayun na, grabe sila oh. So, yun. Nandito na kami ngayon. At iilan pa lang kami. What we have here is one video room. And then we have our own, what's this? Yeah, so shower room. And then we have sink here, and we have our own what do you call this? Grilling, blah blah blah, something. So this is our video game room. We're going to come inside or go inside, and I'm gonna show you. Yum! Open up. So ganito po yung usually na makikita nyo inside sa room ng mga ano. Ayan. Look at that! We have a little chimney. You know? Chimney. Sosyalan lang, oh. Wala ka lang apoy. Ayun na nga. And that's it. Kung gusto nyong manood ng TV or mag-video kay, and then, yan, just sit on the floor. Ayan, the floor is yours. And this is our TV. And the aircon is up. And ayun, tingnan mo, kitang-kita sa labas kung ano yung environment sa labas. And of course, you surely enjoy it. And here outside, meron din siyang sariling bathroom, sink, and then, yeah. Very naman, kompleto lahat ng utilities and facilities nila dito is, and so, green na green, blue na blue. Joke lang, nilulumot yung green eh. So, ayan, blue na blue yung water and so inviting and so, maraming good vibes ang mabibigay sa ating katawan. And of course, we're going to get wet! Ayan, they are busy taking photos. Yan. So later on, we're going to have some snacks and mingle to new friends. Ayan. And this is the inside of the lodge or the what do you call this, reception. Aywa. And here we have little foods pa lang po. Later, yung iba naming mga kasamahan, they will bring more food. So, later, yan. Dadami pa yan. Ayan! We have snack here, we have bread, we have water, and inside a wrap, we have also a wrap. And so, yeah, we have here puto, or of course, Pinoy pa rin po tayo. Kahit nasang sulok ng mundo tayo. Of course, hindi mawawala yung pagiging Pinoy natin. And so, sa hapagkainan ay makikita pa rin ang puto. Ayun, so, yan, kagabi nagluto kami ng shrimp, buttered shrimp. And ako naman, since gusto ko talagang kumain ng salad na eggplant, then here I got here for you. I made it. Yan, later. Kakain tayo ng bonggang-bongga. And yes, that's it. Meron na po tayong what we have here is an empty fridge. Well, water pa lang and ice cubes ang meron tayo. And that's it, the drinks. Since wala pa yung iba, maya-maya pa sila darating. So, later again. Tada! And yes, eto naman po ang ating bedroom. Aywa. Here is the bedroom. Yeah. Mag-enjoy kayo sa honeymoon nyo. Kahit na, alam nyo yun, yung maliit lang yung space and kahit konting panahon lang ay may-enjoy nyo yung honeymoon nyo. Ayan. So, in a very, very, very low cost. This is the bathroom or, yeah. Hey, the comfort room, huh? See that? It's so beautiful. Ang ganda ng petals. So, anyway, bye! Hi, te! Anong ginagawa nyo? So, ayun, puntahan natin sila. Ayun, oh. Mag-iihaw pala sila.
Hindi, joke lang to.
Oh my God. Totoo ba yan?
Hindi, joke lang. Fake news yan. Hello, welcome to my vlog.
Hello, welcome to my vlog.
Yun, toko.
Tada! Naka-ready na siya. Magti-tiktok siya. Sana all.
Sana po ay gabayin mo kami sa habang panahon. Thank you so much sa lahat. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Bakit? Ano lang tugtog na?
Ganyan ang technique sa picturan. Pose!
Ano ba?
Pose! 1, 2,
Video naman pala yun eh.
3, 4, 5. Okay. New pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Parang dumilid na.
Tapos eh, kakat ko lang yan. Okay, sit down.
Takas na nga. Uy! Hindi ako mapila ng sit down, uy! May katuway na sit down, dito na ako gusto tubig.
2, 3, 4, 5. One,
Ano ba tayo?
3, 4, 5. Ayaw naman po eh. Tatanong tayo. Sige, sige. Oo, kanya na ako. Pag-unay ko ba? Oo. Tatanong tayo, tatanong tayo. Jump shot. Jump shot tayo. Ate Lael! Jump shot! Maganda, Bilal. Ano ba? Maganda gagawin dito. Shake. Nakuha ko rin, te. Nakuha ko rin.
Picture lang.
Hindi, hindi. 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 Hindi naman naman kayo. Kanan tayo, kanan tayo, kanan tayo. Kanan ako, pilotan ko. Pero kakakat mo yan. Grabe ko yan. Come on, baby. The phone is yours. It's waiting for yours, you are. Wait, how did you? Dandahan ka ah. One, two, three, go. Kaya, kaya. Ayun. Pipicturean na. Mapapagod ka kasi katakbo lang yan, you know. Ganyan, sige go. Go. Three, go. One more. One more. One. Teka, cellphone. Dali ko cellphone.
Video. Agad-agat yan eh.